Hello, 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 hello. Before I go into my social media hibernation, I have a giveaway that I'm going to do. I'm going to give you two ways you can win. I went fishing on 10/30/21 and the day before Halloween, and I caught X amount of crappie. If you can guess the number of crappie that I caught, I was fishing with Leslie Bacon's Little Miss Bates, Little Miss Bacon's Baits. And she had a picture of the little naked lady with the booty out, and men be thinking that it's a booty. And Leslie, that's a whole nother thing. I used Leslie's baits, so I caught the fish. All right, so I'm gonna give a giveaway from Leslie's baits. All right, so here's the deal. If you can guess how many crappie I caught yesterday, you win. The second way to win, if you can guess how many keepers out of that number that I was able to keep, okay, you can win. So you got two ways to win. If somebody guessed the number, I'll go to first one or two people, okay? And then I'll let you go to Leslie's website and pick you about 3 or 4 baits that you want to try, and I'll pay for it, okay? I'm doing this for my social media hibernation because I'm about to sign off for about 30 plus days because I'm allergic to fake stuff. And I have to tolerate social media in like 3 to 5 month intervals because it gets fake and I'm allergic to that shit. I don't know. But anyway, thanks for tuning in. Maybe nobody bids. Maybe somebody does. 2 ways to win. How many crappie did I catch on 10/30/21? And how many were keepers? All right. Now, how do you know my number is going to be accurate? Because I got a video. And you can hear me say the number. It's daytime now. I didn't finish fishing until last night. Okay? All right. Pick the number. So people, I like challenges. And I'm just not getting on the lake. And old Jerry Gibson, I ran an idea by him. And I said, have you ever known anybody to dock shoot a double rig jig? Now, he said, that wouldn't work because of the weight distribution, and it just wouldn't work. I said, but that don't make sense to me. It still gotta fall. Yeah, but that ain't gonna work. Well, I'm on the lake right now. Been here less than 35-40 minutes. And Jared, I got a video for you. Today is the day before Halloween, 10/30/2021. And instead of just showing you pictures, I'm going to show you that you were live in the video. Thank you, Leslie Bacon, for the baits that actually caught these fish. Just now. But I'm about to leave to go to another spot. Check it out. You wrong, Jared. Leslie Bacon, this video is specifically for you. Man, let me tell you something. My whole mailroom has been lit up for days, and I didn't know why. Well, I ordered these garlic flavored baits and I never checked the mailbox to see if they were in. Leslie, I'm now about to open this. My truck inside, my mail room, and wherever this box has been, it smells like garlic. So if fish like garlic, they finna have a wang dang duty of a time when I limit out today. I'll keep you posted. Thank you, Leslie Bacon. Well, all I gotta say is that's the reason that I call myself Unlikeu. I don't care if that's a keeper or not. That looks like a double rig jig. That looks like I'm not even using live scope. That looks like a dock. And that looks like I just caught a fish. I don't know. Maybe you just can't do it. Thank you, Leslie Bacon. Well, that's my 4th or 5th cast. The last thing I can tell you is, Jared, I don't care if they not keepers. That looks like a double rig jig. That looks like a crappie. And that looks like a dock. And I think if you looked at the video, I shot up under it. Look at me skeet my big rod in a wet hole and get something happy. Bye, Jared. That was so fun. I'm gonna take my big long rod and shoot it in another wet hole. Stop it. All I can say, that's 3 fish off of the bat. I don't care how big they are. This is a double rig jig. Hold on. That's a double that's a double rig jig. That's like 3 or 4 crappie. And you saw me shoot up on the dock to catch him. Jared, maybe you just can't fish. See, this is the difference between old school and new school. A lot of people take pictures of fish. You don't really know how they caught them. I'm showing you a video, Jared, of something I just thought of. I ain't never seen nobody with a video that's dock shooting with a double rig jig. And if you can find that video, please let me know where it's at. Because I ain't never seen anybody dock shoot 2 jigs up under a doggone dock. But it just makes sense to me. Again, I don't care how big the fish are. Somebody told me that it wasn't possible. And in less than 20 minutes, I done caught 5 fish. I don't know about you, but I gotta say, maybe Jared, maybe you just can't fish.